guys, today I'll teach you how to make sourdough bread. Let's start. Add 500 gram bread flour. Add 50 gram whole wheat flour. Add half teaspoon salt. Add 3 tablespoons sourdough starter. Add filtered water gradually. Add tangy. I've done a video on tangy in my previous sourdough video. Maybe you like to watch my previous sourdough videos. Stop adding water when it forms into a nice dough. Knead the dough. Cover the dough with a lid and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, stretch and fold the dough. Stretch and fold is a technique to improve gluten development. Cover the dough with a lid and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, stretch and fold the dough. Stretch and fold also improve the overall bread quality. Cover the dough with a lid and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, coil fold the dough to help the gluten develop further. Cover the dough with a lid and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, coil fold the dough. the dough with a lid and let it rest for 4 hours. After 4 hours, shape the dough. After shaping the dough, let the dough rest at the counter for 1 hour. Store the dough overnight in the fridge for 12 hours for cold return. Bake 220 degrees Celsius for 55 minutes in the oven. Hope you like my sourdough bread. See you in my next video. Thank you.